Hi, I'm Bob Bonniol, and I literally have a dream job. I'm the Chief Innovation Officer for ACT Entertainment, the world's largest distributor of entertainment technology and immersive installation solutions. As part of that job, I am also the Director of the video category, where we have an amazing range of products that truly helps to create environments that are immersive, reactive, and interactive. Now, my job as Chief Innovation Officer means I have to think about all of the ways that the products at ACT Entertainment work together to create complete solutions for all of our customers. I refer to this as production fabric. It's the unified approach to creating any environment where you need to bring production values and truly incredible experiences to end audiences. And it's an amazing time to be doing that because we're not just limited to places where you'd expect, like arenas or theaters or event centers. The truth is that no matter where you look, whether it's destination retail, casinos, command and control environments, immersive installations, I call it the theater of everywhere. And what it means is that whether you're in a classroom or a civic space or truly an entertainment space, there's a need to make it feel special for an audience, to allow them to create joy, to learn things, to maybe be compelled just a little bit, to do something different. And what ACT does is we bring the unified solution to the creators of the world who make these spaces. So whether that's lighting control via the Grand MA3 and the other products of MA Lighting, or using automated lighting fixtures from Ayrton or SGM to light up your world. We have an amazing range of brands. It includes TV One, Magenta, and Green Hippo. Now, these three brands connect the entire picture for you, from pixels to processing to playback as well. For instance, TV One's premier product, the Calico, is our creative video processor. It's an amazing power tool that allows you to command pixel spaces that are truly enormous, to be able to view across multiple monitors, really entire volumes that are created from display devices, and put your content where it needs to go. Make it reactive, control it, so that you can get to the outcome that you want, the perfect color, the perfect pixels in the perfect place. On to playback. Our Green Hippo media servers are the power tool for live production environments because we built them from the ground up to be a tool that you can keep creative, nimble, flexible control of until the very last moment. It allows creators to change their minds, to flex, to use input layers that include gaming engines or other real-time content production tools like Notch or Touch Designer. And throughout our entire stack of devices, we believe in giving our users the control in the way that they want. So whether it's DMX or OSC, serial commands, or using our device's own user interfaces, we afford our users a wide range of flexibility so that they can make our tech stack fit in the way that they need it to fit. Now, we do have a philosophy of being what I call DMX first here, and that's because we have the amazing power and control of Grand MA and MA Lighting at the top of our stack. The MA3 lighting console is the perfect way to have tactile, complete, flexible control of a dizzying range of parameters. So that can be, of course, a massive lighting rig or lighting array, but it can also include control of a media server like the Green Hippo, or it can include control of our creative video processor with Calico, or it can also include sending control signals to automation systems, pyro, lasers. One thing that we believe about our entire stack of devices is allowing our users to have an open framework to use the tools that work best for them. So whether you're using Unreal Engine to create reactive, real-time rendering of amazing virtual environments, or you're using tracking systems from brands like Zactrax, or sensors that are using LiDAR or infrared or computer vision, all of these things can come together in our ecosystem to feed data into your control stack and result in playback phenomena and environmental phenomena that are amazing and reactive and personalized. And here's what's most exciting about all of these devices. You might not be surprised to find our technology in places like arenas or stadiums, conference centers, or theaters, but you may be surprised to find them in places that you don't expect, like F1 pit walls, or robotic operating theaters, or command and control for space missions. That's because all of our equipment from top to bottom is built to be robust and exactly what you need when there is absolutely zero tolerance for failure. All of our gear is reliable and flexible, secure, and it's just the right stuff when you are dealing with mission-critical applications. And that can include things like command or control. It can also include things like broadcast, where you have only one shot to get it right. Now, the true gift of being able to work with a stack of technology like this is to be able to offer you complete solutions that are integrated from top to bottom. Our research and development teams at TV1 get to work hand in hand with the developers at the other brands and in the other categories, like with the developers at MA Lighting, so that all of our ecosystem of devices communicates better with each other and works together to give you easy, intuitive solutions. And now, like I mentioned before, is an exciting time. And we are also at all times looking towards the future, whether that's deploying AI to support our customers and knowing how to use our tools better, or in our tools to make them creative co-collaborators in your efforts of installation or event technologies. We're always looking to make the entire stack of devices easier to use, more intuitive, more robust, and more reliable, which is really utterly critical right now. As we look to the future, we see a world where these layers of technology are going to extend beyond the realm of just rectangles, where entire architectural environments are going to be able to support interactive media, where we're actually, through means of wearables, coming quickly to a point where there's going to be the additional layer of merged and augmented reality. And when that happens, our tech stack is already going to be ready to assimilate it and to continue to give you the tools that you need to go forward. In 2026, we're embracing a new marketing message, which is command all the pixels. And here's the amazing thing, something you should think about that you might be surprised by. You might think of pixels as the bright spots on the wall behind me in that rectangle, a screen, and that would be natural. But you also have to begin to think of pixels as other things, as lights above us in the ceiling. When you take an entire array of lights on a concert stage or a retail environment, and you use the incredible power tool of our pixel mapper in the Green Hippo Hypnotizer, suddenly you can use content to control lighting levels. For instance, an amazing application, an unexpected way to have control of your environment. Also, we work to put all of these layers together to create complete solutions. So, like I said, I have a dream job. My job is to give you the tools and the amazing flexibility you need to transport people into dreams. All of these things now are also working on unified networks, and this is something else that we are supporting. So in our video devices, we are increasingly deploying ST2110 and other IP formats. We're doing that with an incredible array of industry partnerships. That includes people like Matrox, who are making amazing endpoints to convert our formats into ST2110 and IPMX. We're also working with other manufacturers like Netgear to support incredibly robust, high-speed networking backbones in the production environment. So whether you need to carry Dante to your audio devices, SACN to your lighting devices, ST2110 to your video devices, automation control to kinetic moving parts of your architecture or scenery, literally any of these control protocols, our devices are ready to participate on that network. That's what I meant when I talked about production fabric, a unified approach, a way to remove complexity, so that you know that no matter what device you're going to get from ACT Entertainment, you're going to get a whole and complete answer. And you're going to be able to find us anywhere you go in the world. Whether you're in the UK and you need to talk to our folks at Ambersphere to get your equipment, or you're in North America and you can talk directly to our sales and distribution staff at ACT Entertainment, or to our sales staff on the TV One side, or whether you're really anywhere in the world and you're working with our extended network of dealers and distributors, you're going to find the answers you need to create compelling, amazing experiences that change minds, that create joy, that inspire people. So again, I have a dream job, and I wouldn't trade it for anything in the world. I hope that I've showed you some things and talked about some things today that you might find useful. You should reach out to us, whether it's me personally, and you can find me at all of the normal socials, or whether it's in your region by reaching out to ACT Entertainment, or to TV One, or to Ambersphere. We're going to hook you up, and we're going to make sure that in the end, you look extraordinary. We love being the people behind the curtain, behind the curtain. We live to enable creators to do their best work. We are interested in bringing you solutions that solve real problems you have. Through doing it, you're going to be able to know and have confidence that in the end, it's all going to work. And when you do run into trouble, or you run into any problem whatsoever, ACT is renowned globally for our support network, our training, and our end user support. So that includes things like incredible documentation. It includes being able to pick up a phone 24/7, 7 days a week, no matter where you are, and reaching a human being that's going to try to help you. It also includes amazing online assets, training, and support portals as well. It's really the complete picture, and it's an incredible privilege to be in the midst of it and to be dreaming of the future with you, to coming up with the next solutions. I get to do that every day, whether it's here in Maidenhead, back in New York, in LA, in Seattle, Toronto, in Singapore, in Tokyo, in Shanghai, in Germany, in the Middle East. Really, wherever you go, there we are. And that is an amazing, amazing opportunity. So thanks for watching today. And do check out our online portals and reach out to us when you need the next solution to create an amazing experience.